Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Stay safe at home. So, children, welcome to the DSO class. In today's class, you are going to learn about a very important sensory organ, that is nose. Yes, nose is a very important sensory organ of our body. The nose is the body's primary organ of smell. I repeat, the nose is the body's primary organ of smell. The nose is also the principal organ of our body. I repeat the point, the nose is also the principal organ of our body. The nose protects us through smell. I repeat the point, the nose protects us through smell. It cleans the air we breathe. I repeat, it cleans the air we breathe. There are tiny hairs in the nose that prevent dust particles from entering our body. I repeat the point, there are tiny hairs in the nose that prevent dust particles from entering our body. It also regulates the temperature of our breath. I repeat, it also regulates the temperature of our breath. It also functions as part of the body's respiratory system. It also functions as part of the body's respiratory system. The tip of the nose is called apex. So children, remember the point, that is, the tip of the nose is called apex. Let's see how to take care of nose. We should avoid smoke and dust. Children, yes, we should avoid smoke and dust. In that case, we can use our handkerchief. We should clean our nose daily. Children, we should clean our nose daily. Children, always remember that you should never finger your nose. So, do not finger your nose. It can hurt your nose and it's also a very bad habit. Do not put any object into your nose. It may hurt your nose. So always remember that you should never put any object into your nose. Blow your nose 3 times when you wake up from your sleep. I repeat, blow your nose 3 times when you wake up from your sleep. Always use mask to protect yourself while going outside. Yes, this is a very important point, children. Always use mask to protect yourself while going outside. So children, today up to this. See you soon with some new topic. Till then, take care. Thank you.